I am directed to refer to this department's letter of even number dated 13th November 1984 and to say that instructions were issued that where the original date of birth recorded in the service book of a government servant is not legible sanction of government in SNGAD must be obtained after fixing responsibility for mutilation of the original entry and furnishing full justification for acceptance of change. First up, it was further desired that officer in charge of an office or department who have custody of serve record of employees working under them must examine service books, service rolls of all employees under their charge and ensure that the change, if any, is taken care of well before retirement of the persons concerned and necessary action is taken against the persons responsible for tampering with official record. Post up. It has been observed that the number of such cases referred to this department is on the increase, and it is always claimed that responsibility for the change cannot be fixed. First up, in order to avoid belated references, it has been decided that all heads of offices who have the custody of service books, service rolls must record a certificate in the first week of January every year in every service book to the effect that they have personally examined the service book, service roll and have found these in order. Full stop. Such certificates should be pasted in the service book, service rolls from the last page onwards. Full stop. A head of office not employing with these instructions should be reported against for the failure by his successor to the next higher authority for appropriate action. Full stop. I am directed to refer to his department's circular letter dated the 21st October 1971, in which a firm policy was laid down that the domicile declared by a person at the time of entry into service will be treated a final throughout his service career, and no subsequent change would be recognized or reflected in his service record. First up, these instructions may apply to serving government servants, but there is no restriction on candidates applying for different jobs that the domicile declared while applying on